start. So this is Abbas, the same cockatiel whose leg was fractured. She wants to get away, She knows that she thinks that she is gonna get some medicine injection, something. It's not going to happen. We are just going to remove her bandage off. Pass. So this is same cockatiel whose femur got fractured 1.5 months ago, and fracture is completely healed. I'm going to remove this splint off, and she is very much she just wants to get rid of this plaster. She doesn't want to be on this anymore. She is using her toes. There's full movement of all the toes, ankle, hock. Yeah, there's no swelling, no redness, nothing. Super. See that? उसने काफी गिल्ला किया है इसको बीच में. She's playing in the water. Good girl. Yeah. Beautiful. Just pause it now.